So in this video, I'm going to teach you or show you how to mix your lye solution in order to get a perfect long-lasting soda soup. So if you are interested, stick to this video to the very end. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. So watch this video carefully. I'm measuring my caustic soda now. I want to show you exactly what you need, how to mix your lye solution, because in my last video that I make on how to make soda soap, some people were asking how can they mix their lye solution. So I'm here in this video to show you that all you need to do is to watch this video to the end to get the accurate measurements to get your lye solution correctly. All you need to do is in this video. So watch this video to the very end. So I'm measuring my caustic soda now, and the caustic soda that I'm measuring is going to be 500 gram of caustic soda. So that is what we'll be using or needing in this production. So you watch me carefully as I do this, okay? So that is it, okay? So I'm going to reduce it now because it's mush, it has passed. So all you need to do is to dip something or a spoon inside it and reduce it. So you can see the way I'm doing it now. It's okay. This is the 500 gram of caustic soda. You can see. So all I need to do now is to go and prepare it to like turn it into lye solution. So all you need is 2 liters of water. So you can see the way I'm turning down my water. This cup you see me holding is 1 liter cup. So I'm using 2 of it. Okay, after you pour in your 2 liters of water, you bring in your 500 gram of caustic soda, the one that we have measured earlier. Then you now pour it into this 2 liters of water. Yes, add your caustic soda into water. Okay, after you add it into water, all you need to do is to begin to stir. You will stir very well, okay, so that everything will mix very well, okay. So watch this video. After you watch this video to the end, because you need to watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you how this lye solution we have just mixed, how the production is going to come out, okay. So that is it. You can see the way I'm mixing it. You mix it thoroughly. Okay, I do leave my own lye solution overnight before I use it, but some people leave it after some hour for it to cool down before they use it, but me, I leave it overnight. Whichever one is okay, okay. You leave it to stay overnight before using it. That is how I normally do my own. But if you don't have that patience, you can leave it to cool down for some time before you use it. So this is the next day. You can see how clear it is, as if it's a water. Yeah. So let's the production began. Okay, I'm going to use this for production. I want to show you something how the soap is going to look like. Okay, so this is my bleach palm oil. Yes, this I did not add anything. This is already bleach palm oil. So you see, I'm using it now for the production. So that is it. You can see I fetch it inside my oil. Okay, so you see it now. The thing is very okay. And again, some people have been asking me the oil they buy lately from the market to use it for soda soap is bad. I normally tell you guys, whenever you are going to the market, please fetch light solution with you so that if you go to the market, you test it with the the palm oil you see in the market before you buy. Okay, so it is time for me to pour it into my mobile. You can see how light it is. It look like a camel, so light. Okay, that is a good oil. If you fetch your light solution to the market and you test it with any palm oil and it thicken fast, you should not buy it. But if you test it and it's like this, the way you are seeing on the screen, that means it's a good palm oil. Okay, so you need to do that before you bring it home to bleach, or before you started using it for your production, so you can see how strong. This is the finished look. You can see how strong the soda soap is. Okay, look at it, so strong. And this one, in case you'll be wondering, we sell it 200 naira in my side here. This is 200 naira soda soap. Like, we give three out for 500 naira, in case you'll be like, how much is this? Okay, so that is it. If you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips from me on how to make soda soap or laundry bar soap. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye.